Unveiling the Big Cheese in English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's quite flavorful and fun: big cheese. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding idiomatic expressions like this can add a real zest to your conversational skills. So, let's cut straight to the chase and find out why being a cheese can actually be a big deal. The term big cheese is a popular English idiom that refers to someone who is very important or influential, often in a particular setting like a company or an organization. Interestingly, this phrase has nothing to do with food. When you hear someone being called the big cheese, think of a person with power, someone who calls the shots, or a big deal in their circle. Let's melt into the history of this phrase a bit. The big cheese is believed to have its origins in the early 19th century. It may have derived from the Urdu word chiz, meaning thing, which was popularized by British colonials. Another theory suggests that it comes from the phrase the cheese, from the proper cheese, a slang term that meant the real thing in Victorian England. Regardless of its origins, it's clear that being the big cheese is about being something substantial and significant. Now, let's see how to spread this phrase into your conversations. Ever since she got promoted, she's been acting like the big cheese around the office. In the world of tech startups, he's considered quite the big cheese. Remember, it's a fun and informal phrase, so you would use it in casual conversations rather than formal settings. If you want to expand your cheesy vocabulary, here are some similar idiomatic expressions. Top banana, another playful term for the most important person in a group. Head honcho, a person in charge, or the boss. Big kahuna, a person with great influence or authority, originally from Hawaiian slang. These idioms, just like big cheese, add flavor to the language and make you sound more like a native speaker when used appropriately. And there you have it, folks. You're all set to use big cheese in your daily conversations. This idiom is a great way to describe someone who is an important decision maker or a prominent figure in a particular context. We hope you found this video enlightening and a bit entertaining. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be the big cheese of English idioms. Until next time, happy learning!